Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve under square root x plus 5 plus under square root x minus 5 equal 10, and we have to find the value of x. So many people's first approach is to doing squaring both sides and all, but no, we are not going to take this approach. So let's take a different approach and make it easier. So I'm assuming that it is the first is equals to a and the second is equals to b. So if I do squaring, then a square is x plus 5 and b square is x minus 5. Now it becomes a plus b equal 10. So I'm consider this as equation number 1. So if I do the a square minus b square, so it becomes x plus 5 minus x minus 5. So x plus 5 minus x plus 5. So this will cancel out. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Now a minus b equal a square minus b square by a plus b. So this is 10 by a plus b is also 10 as per the equation. So what is the value of a minus b? Is 1. And I am considering this as equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. So it's a plus b equal 10 and a minus b equal 1. So this becomes 2a equal 11. So what is the value of a? 11 by 2. Now put the value of a either in 1 or 2. So from equation 1, a plus b equal 10. So a is 11 by 2 plus b equal 10. So b equal 10 minus 11 by 2. So this becomes 20 minus 11 by 2. So b is equals to 20 minus 11 is 9 by 2. So this is the value of b. So our a square is x plus 5. So a is 11 by 2 whole square equal x plus 5. So 11 square is 121 by 4 and take this 5 to this side. So this is 4. 121 minus 20 equal x. That is 101 by 4. This is the value of x. Now let's verify by putting the in b also. So b square equal x minus 5. b is 9 by 2 square equal x minus 5. It's 81 by 4 plus 5 equal x. So 81 plus 20. So it's 101 by 4. So in both the cases, the value of x is 101 by 4. So that means it's verified. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.